Volvos equipped with leather upholstery provide an added touch of luxury, and like other luxury leather items, they require some extra care to help keep them looking new and protected from damage. That's why Volvo offers the Volvo Genuine Leather Care Kit, so owners can easily clean and protect the leather upholstery to keep that new car feeling longer, as well as maintain the residual value of their car. The cleaning kit is only to be used in Volvo cars with leather upholstery. Do not use this product on suede or nubuck. The Volvo Genuine Leather Care Kit comes with cleaning fluid, protective softening cream, a sponge, and a polishing cloth. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you should do is vacuum the leather upholstery thoroughly to ensure that you're starting with a clean surface. Next, apply the cleaning fluid to the sponge and repeatedly squeeze the sponge until foam forms. Then clean the surface using small circular motions. Thoroughly dab any stains with the sponge and let the sponge absorb the stain. If there's any dirt or debris on the surface, use a cloth or paper towel to wipe it off before the fluid dries. Then allow a few minutes for the cleaning fluid to air dry. To help keep the leather soft, apply a small amount of the protective polishing cream to the cloth and using the same small circular motions, lightly massage a thin layer of cream into the leather. Allow about 20 minutes for the leather to dry before use. The soft beige leather upholstery in particular is sensitive to soiling, which can be avoided by using the kit. For Volvos with soft beige leather upholstery, sample leather wipes are provided at delivery as a reminder to maintain the upholstery on a regular basis. These leather care wipes can be purchased and provide one treatment for 2 leather seats. These are a convenient option because they can be stored in the glove compartment. You should use the Volvo Genuine Leather Care Kit or the leather care wipes that Volvo offers the first or second week after taking delivery, and approximately 4 times a year as needed while you own your Volvo. Both the Volvo Genuine Leather Care Kit and the leather care wipes can be purchased at your authorized Volvo dealer.